15 years ago, a remarkable mission unfolded high above Earth. The Hubble Space Telescope, humanity's eye on the universe, received a historic upgrade during its final servicing mission. In May 2009, astronauts launched aboard Space Shuttle Atlantis on a daring journey to repair and upgrade the legendary telescope. Their goal was to extend Hubble's life and ensure its discoveries could continue for years to come. During 5 challenging spacewalks, the crew replaced aging components, installed new instruments, and restored Hubble's scientific capabilities. The results were extraordinary. Hubble's vision became sharper, its reach extended deeper into the universe, and its discoveries continued to transform our understanding of the cosmos. 15 years later, Servicing Mission 4 remains a powerful symbol of human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Thank you for watching Voyage to Void.